Respected teachers and their fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Today the topic of my speech is Dr. Allama Muhammad Iqbal. Who was Allama Iqbal? Allama Iqbal is our national poet. He was a very famous poet. He wrote many poems for the Muslims. His poems are full of ideas and courage. He tried his best to evoke them Muslims and to make them tend towards their goals. He expressed his feeling is in his poems. His poems are full of advice for everyone. The name of his famous books are Bangi Dara, Bale Jibril, Zarbe Kalim and Payame Mashriq. He was a true Muslim leader as well as great poet. He died on April 21, 1938. His tomb is in Lahore. May his soul rest in peace. Ameen. Thanks.